Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to turn the console on and off. Firstly, you can simply do it by pressing power button on the console itself, or you can press PlayStation button on the controller. As you can see, console is turning on. Now select your account, and to turn console off, again press PlayStation button, scroll down to the power and select turn off PS5, enter rest mode or restart. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.